previously on. Say hello now. Have manners. Miss Olive never teach you manners. I'm talking to my camera. Right here. Wait, are these forks or knives? Little Ochi and Mandible. We couldn't make it to the real one.
No, sir, when I think I want to play when I carry now.
Come on, boy.
Seriously.
My fish all done. So good, so full. Marlon's still eating his. Julian's still eating his. Marvin done. Yes, the girls are done. The guys still are eat.
I know we start out fast now, you endure it to the end. Endure it. How are you? Big. Ako be ako
Oh, I can tell.
say no apartheid.
The apartheid, I may buy everything yesterday.
Hey, so you buy everything
I just tell them, say,
So if you do everything and you buy everything, kung masyari mo nila, kaya buy some more ka rin. Wagon! Ayun, that's the mare. So ano ba, katas ko na tama. You know what's nobody, you just have it the way after. Don't you? Meantime, just the one girl, kumami siya. Hindi, yung pala napupunta yan, namin kaya ikaw, I think there's no young life in pretty young life, kasi kung hindi pa naman sila nabay. Ito yung saligit, minsan ito yung ito, it's married, $5,000.
What?
Speeding.
Speeding?
Ay, kaya ka dyan. Ang nakong parang naman. Liit, blood sila na punch it. Hindi pa doon sa likuan din. Wala, doggy boy!
that's what we see. I used to that. Everybody got end up outside.
Our private team outside, they need
Everybody got end up outside. Therefore, nobody can steal anything.
Nobody deer. Deer. I want to see fucking granite firm. So if you want to pick me up with their 90 Jamaican dollar, 90,000 Jamaican dollar per year. Oh, Shaka is push us. But once again, you know, you are going inside the bank or ATM.
Push in the ATM, you have a man.
I don't know you have to use it. Yeah, drive. So it's not like you know, top.
I was just gonna say.
It's not like you know.
Holy.
It's not like you know, top. Mama, but as we reach out, you know, because woman in a ramp in New York, you know, Marvin, you know,
Yo, friends and if you have a little word over something,
yeah.
just text me over there.
I mean, I basically that.
Text person never late.
Marvin, a late man, in time Marvin late, I must, me I jump off it.
Mandible. Unfortunately. Just kidding. No, I'm not.
Yeah, like videos of it.
Yeah.
Love it out.
If the blood, yeah, there.
Eh?
Hope you guys can see what I'm trying to show you because I can't see anything for shit. Canada's boring. Tasties.
Wait, man. Like it.
Scotia. Mega Mart. This is like the biggest grocery store in Jamaica. They only have a few locations. Come, you're looking for sugar. Auntie. So yeah, this is Mega Mart. They sell everything, foreign, local, everything. They're looking for sugar. Mar, come. Yes. Brown?
Yo, why it sounds so wet? Okay. Check this one.
I'm looking at the price.
I'm not watching the price. I'm watching if that bag is wet. This is just $3.78.
Okay. Where's sanitary products? I'm telling you guys, they have everything. I love this place. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Toilet tissue. Tasties is the best patty, okay?
You see, just leave have too much crust, bunny.
Nobody tell us the juicy I run the page. A tasty I run the page. You understand? Tasty's patty. Oh God. She wanna don't know how long me I wait for this one here. You understand? Yeah.
You can't tell Martin, go.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Jesus can kiss. Jesus can
The mail took 4 months to be built. We're over 400 pounds made out of wood, and that's the guango.
Black woman and black man.
Yes, just like the representation of our heritage. We have our lighthouse 100 feet above sea level.
Wow.
It uses 2 power sources. That's the electricity and also battery. Can be seen 20 to 25 miles out. Used to dominate ships at sea. Still in use. Comes on at night, rotates our speed.
Yeah. When them say them jump off. I wonder why them jump off. Imagine them jump off.
You want to take a picture, buddy? You want to take a picture, buddy?
There was a slavery plantation consists of 1,500 acres of land, includes South Field. We can go around. Top Hill.
Oh my God.
And also this entire community. So they usually planted coffee, cotton, Bahamian grass, and guinea grass.
So pretty.
They usually plant the grass. They use it to make mattress or bedding. Where the two stumps are together, the white paintings on
Roxanne,
top.
how could you be scared if
That's
you
where the
were playing?
lovers take the leap off the
Yo. So them jump from, you know? Really?
Sir Richard Chadley, he was the owner of the plantation, Englishman. Busy was the beautiful enslaved African girl who lived and worked on the plantation. Don't you hear me? On the plantation.
I'm video of salt water. Now we're at Little Ochi.
I know I can swim.
But she said she can't swim.
I can swim.
You never know.
Yep, very well, actually. We're in the bathtub?
Where you swim in the bathtub? Eh?
You have to swim at the beach.
You swim at the beach? Who bring you to the beach? You're at the beach.
Snack bar, ice cream shop.
Yeah, more ice cream.
Kelsey. Okay.
Yes, you want to.
Don't worry, Melvin, it's not going nowhere. Wait, that's female. Okay, so this Little Ochi, guys, you pick your food, they cook it for you, and you pay forever how much it weighs. Oh, per pound. Okay, so that's the price.
Everything is in this.
All right. Okay, I'll do that.
How many you want?
Just the one.
The one big one.
Yeah. That's what? 22.80?
You don't read too much. But when you want it done?
How can I get it done?
And when you want it sweet done?
How?
Curry
What's my
jerk,
options? Curry jerked.
garlic,
How? Okay, I'll get it jerked. Yeah,
in the pot or on the grill.
on the
You
grill.
want it grill.
Yeah. What do you recommend?
I can give you a you don't eat.
What do you recommend? Why are you laughing?
Give you a garlic with some butter. With onion and scallion and stuff there.
Can I get that on the side?
Huh?
Can I get that on the side even though it's jerked?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me do that then.
You want some okra too?
No, no okra. Thank you.
Guys, which one you get? There you get juke in the stuff. There you get juke.
Oh. I got that, man. I'm Jamaican, you know.
So Jamaica, but we Jamaica can get juke, you know.
Yeah, I know. I'm Jamaican.
Yo, what kind of fish is this?
Lionfish.
So ugly,
You
man.
need to try one.
No, sir.
Try
No, me, I'm not no ugly.
Carry three, you know.
Who are you talking to? No.
Why you carry three?
I can't eat 3. Not festival. Planting.
No, one plant is good for you, right?
Yeah.
Festival, I want to. Festival? Alright.
New York, look where you look for. This is where you do at New York, huh?
New York? We're not from there. Do we look like we're from New York? We're from Canada.
Yeah? Oh.
One Valley, 9 Festival, 3 plants.
Oh, wait, you can pick up her one. Pick up her one. Look what this killer lady like. Look at this. Big lobster for the killer lady. She
Thank
always
you.
smiling.
Do you remember everything I said?
Yeah, man.
Jerk.
I'm gonna give her a jerk. I put her in here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah?
You never let her go. You never let her go. Never let her go. You better never let her go. No.
Yeah. So pretty. Oh, the sun is so warm. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait till I live here. Oh, that little Ochi. Oh, you guys didn't see me today, sorry. I'm a little Ochi. It's so pretty here. You guys should come here. I'm so excited for my jerk lobster. See, Zari, look, you can go to the beach. You can go to the beach. Mm-hmm. Yep. Where are you? What? No, you're at the seaside.
Seaside.
Yeah. And what are you gonna eat? What kind of fish? And there's more fish.
More fish.
Yeah. And I'm gonna eat lobster.
We can't because the boat is different.
So excited. Yo, there was this drink. Why? What happened?
You want to feed them, you're okay. I can't think
No. Okay.
yeah, I'm at the top one. I mean, so the fish them.
Okay. All right. Tell the people them.
I mean, so the pretty fish them down here, you know. So what I want now is, you know, when I make a bit of it, I make a bit of it because I will say the nice pretty fresh fish.
All right.
We can establish it that people can come and buy and support.
All right. So tell them where they can find you.
But you can find me down at the watch around by the beach.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can put it on the internet. And,
I will. We'll go on my YouTube channel.
yeah, you can put it on the internet and you can put it on the Bluetooth. Yeah.
All right. I hear you. Yes.
Come on, be later on, though, it can be better for me. Same way.
Exactly. So big up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, baby.
The drink I got. I'm chilling with Zori and Antoine. Are you scared of the camera?
Yes.
Why?
I don't want weirdos looking at me online.
Good boy, bye. People see you every day.
I know, but
Exactly. It's the same thing.
30-year-old man looking at me.
There's 30-year-old men walking on the streets. Don't they see you?
No, I mean pedophile, right?
They're on the streets. They don't only hide behind camera.
Grandma, and little Zoe, and look at her. Look at her, so pretty.
Aw, thank you, Sugar Plum. She thinks I'm pretty.
It's so pretty. All of her stuff
Huh?
is so pretty.
What? What did you say?
What I say?
What did you just say? Right? No, she said I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty.
And it's so
Cousin-in-law.
big, so pretty, and her lipstick on her hair, and her dress.
You're the best, Zari. You're my favorite, little Zari. That's my favorite, little pretty Zari. Oh God, I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry too.
You're so hungry too.
Yeah.
Give me food, then go. You can't find the food.
Yeah?
I mean, man, if you can't find the food, I did.
I see mine already.
You see me too?
This is Zari's. This is Antoine's. That's yo. Yours looks massive though. Like yours looks like it's stuff from here to foreign. Me get my green plantain. Wanna know how I like my squish green plantain? See the bommy ears. We got festival?
Yeah, it's a festival.
I never know. Yeah. And see my lobster tail here. Oh my god. You wanna see my lobster? A jerk lobster this, you know? Subscribe. Oh god.
Red tail snapper.
Okay, wait, go there because it's too dark here. Go on the step. Holy shit. Yeah, right there, so.
This is red tail snapper.
Oh my
Nice
god.
snapper to eat. Sweet snapper. Please.
Hold the tail. Just hold. Yeah. Oh my
Nice
god.
to
This shit is so huge.
And
Alright.
the one we sell them type of fish, yeah?
Yes, Roberts,
Yes,
aka
Robert. Watch me now.
Copper.
You give me a picture now, a good picture now. Watch me.
It's recording.
Yeah, nice picture. It's red tail snapper.
Yo, that's crazy. That's
And I was
huge.
kissing this red tail.
Ew. So how much did you sell that one for?
This one we have to weigh to know.
That's crazy.
Because we are, it's 500 a pound for him.
Oh.
So we have to weigh to know the value of it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Robert. Me make the people them know on my channel where them can find you and all these things. So hopefully you get some business. Thanks to me. So next time when I come, you can get a discount for my fish, yeah? All right. All right, 4. Okay, guys, it's almost time to go home, but it was so good out here. I had so much funners and stuff, you know. My belly, you see, I have one pregnant belly. Yeah, I'm a food belly. But yeah, it's so nice out here at Little Ochi. So if you ever come to Jamaica, I wanna wander somewhere, come a little Ochi. You understand? Oh my god, I'm gonna wet up my shoes. Sus crime. Anyhow, still cute. But yeah, yeah, it's so pretty out here. Like real talk, it's so nice. And I never realized that the stuff that we were sitting in are like shaped like boats. It's so cool. It's like a boat. And the other, yeah, like they're all boats. The one over there, so where my ended, right? The so the one over there, so the one over there, so I think those are the only ones, and then the rest of them are really shaped like nothing. But yeah, it's such a nice place. I can't really see because I have glasses. Oh, never mind. Take them off now. See, I told you guys I'm not a great vlogger when I wear glasses, but it's so pretty out here. And they have everything. They're seafood specialists. So if you love seafood like I do, this will be heaven to you. Okay? I'm out with my in-laws today. Bay is handling some business. So I'm out with them because them realize that me just sit down and not do nothing, so then carry me come out, can't enjoy myself. You know, big up my in-laws, them, they're the best. But I want one of these green rocks. They're not really green, but them have something on it. So I want one for carry got me out. Not no lie. Yeah, I don't know if that's seaweed or what the hell it is, but it sure is green. It looks like the Grinch, kind of, almost. And that's it for Little Ochi, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the vlog. And ting. Go home, go charge my phone because I keep dinner up at the house, small and buy goats. So that them I make right now for with dinner. And ting. Zari's making a sand castle.
You're making a castle.
Tell the vlog.
Huh?
Tell the vlog. Tell the camera.
I'm making a castle.
Okay. Yes, baby. Bye. Bye, baby. Love you.
Bye, Jonathan.